Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Please, if today is your first time coming across this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, put on the notification bell so that anytime I post content relating to forex trading, you'll be among the first to get notified. Now please, this video is based on series of questions I've received for those of you who are in my DM on WhatsApp asking me of how my millionaire strategy works, how can you join, and then what are the expectations what are the things you should expect. Now I'm just going to show you some current activities we did within this week and how everything starts so that you get to understand what I'm talking about and how you can also use this strategy. I'm going to take you to my chart, that means my laptop, then I'll also analyze the chart for you. I'll also take you to my community group, also show you how we do the analysis before price even get to this time, not only on gold, even on synthetic indices. So this was analysis we did on gold. This was the outcome. I did this analysis even before price uh, showed up, or before the price got to that level. So I'm going to show you everything. Just exercise patience and make sure you don't skip any part of this video. So not only on gold, I think we did something on synthetic indices. So I'm going to show you the outcome and even some current ones that are still on. So this was the result of the boom 1000. I also did analysis with them even before price got to this extent, or before we started taking the entries. I'm going to show you. Then I'm going to take you to the live chart, then explain things to you, and you probably see reasons why you either need somebody to guide you if you have the knowledge before, or probably you just want to start and you need somebody to hold your hands to teach you how to trade this forex market the right way. Exactly, guys. So I think the last one, let me show you the last result. So this was an volatility 10. There are still more within this week that we've done so far. So now let me take you to the charts, the community, so that it doesn't look like maybe I'm just showing you this result. You will see that I explained to them even before price get to that area, before we took our buy or our sell. Exactly. So this is on this was today's activity on VIX 75. Exactly. This is on VIX 75. So this is the community. Now, here in this community, everyone in this group has the materials, the videos, and the softwares. So probably for more clarification and understanding, because sometimes they request for analysis on each pair. So we do analysis on some pairs before the trade is even starts, or when the trade is on. Alternative entries, we also do analysis on that. So this was on gold. So I was telling them, I'll take you to the chart. I'll still show you everything and how you can also do this. Probably you need more enlightenment. Then if you want somebody to guide you, then you can join the mentorship class. You check the description below, you see my WhatsApp number there. Exactly, guys. So I was telling them reasons why we should be expecting sell, things we need to know. So I took them to the weekly time frame, explained to them that the previous week price was bullish and the current week we are before the week end, price seems to be going bearish, indicating that there's more momentum for price to go down because we had some confirmation from price action confirmation. So along the line, so this was what later took place. Before now, I've explained to them. This was what later took place. Price sold all the way down, right? You can see it. So you can see me now telling them that I told you guys that last week candle showed huge rejection, indicating that buyers tried to push price up, but sellers ended up pushing the price down. You get it. So we traded it already. This was just the reaction. I've gave them analysis before time. You can check when I was giving them the analysis even before then, so that it doesn't look like maybe I was just showing you the replay. This was when I was giving them the analysis. That was on, I think we started the analysis on November 1st. You can see it. So this is what I was telling them, analyzing things to them. You can just telling them reasons why we should expect sell. Then I also talked about Boom 1000 likewise. You can see it here. So we did the analysis before then. So things started playing out gradually. This was some a trade I took before then. Even on volatility 100, you can see it. Volatility 75. There are some trades I took that day before the analysis and other ones I showed you today. So here you can see where I was telling them to watch out for VIX 75, right? So this is how the community is. This is what normally happens when you join a group. You can see the outcome of our analysis on gold. So this was when I was recapping some things to them. Then we still gave some serious some explanation. Exactly. So this one volatility 25. This was somebody who joined this group. You can see. Let me show you the message correctly. He said, "Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?" Fine. I said, "Boss, thanks a lot. I grew the $15 to $40, then withdraw it." So he showed me everything along the line. So I decided to share it with them because the community is currently locked. There are some other testimonies that I do receive, but not all the time. You can see we still did VIX 25. I was telling them to watch out on VIX 25 at this point. So later on, we proceed to do the analysis. Okay, this was on gold, making reference to the gold, and this was the VIX 75 analysis. They have the software, but based on the fact that I just want them to understand how to use those software I gave to them and the video more. So I have to do some analysis with them, explain things to them. You can see me telling them what liquidity and everything. Then what ended the outcome of the trade at the end of the day. You can see we made so much money from there. You can see it after we made so much money at this later end. So we discussed, and then you can see where this is what the outcome is. So probably you are doubting the trades and everything. Then you see the analysis I gave them on VIX 75 also told them about VIX 75. I think, yeah, well, you can see trades were all banger, right? The trades we all hit the trade. So now, for those of you who are asking what happened in the community and everything, even today now we did some analysis. Yesterday we did some analysis. You can see this was on volatility 75. We did some analysis yesterday. Told them what happened. Get it? Using reference to what happened on the gold and everything. So just to give them, because we are still within the week, right? Just explaining things to them. And so, okay, this was the outcome of the gold, right? This was the outcome of, volatility 75. And then today only on crash 1000, we did some analysis on crash 1000. So this is all what we do here in this community. So what you need to do is for you to join, you have to check the description below. You see my WhatsApp number there. So when you see the WhatsApp number there, you chat me up. Now, because of the current price as at when I was recording before now, for you to join the community, it's about $100 because it's not. I'm not giving. I'm teaching you the secret of trading. That is what we are doing here. Tell you analysis why we are buying, why we are selling. You have the materials with you already. Also explain deeply on how you can follow all the procedures. Is that clear? Then if you have question, me personal question, you can definitely chat me up. Then we'll relate on what to do, on how to take trades and how to go about it. Exactly. So because of the pressure on some people from different countries who are complaining that dollar is too high, so I've reduced the price just within this month from now till December, so that those who want to join and complain, because I've been having series of message all this while. I've been trying to ignore, but the thing is getting too much. So you can just message me through that number. Then once you pay, you join the community. And when you join the community, you definitely start. I will send all the necessary materials to you. Then I'll add it to the community. Then we start analyzing how to take trades and how to trade the forex or synthetic indices the right way. Because what you are seeing right in my channel are majorly the indicator um, trading setup, which cannot make you a profit trader. It's not possible. You can't be profitable with that. Please don't skip this video because I'm going to take you to this chart now. Then we're going to still do some analysis. Probably you understand some trading terms or you understand forex, but you're having issues on how to go about it. I'm going to explain some things to you, both on the current situation and on the previous one, so that you have idea of what this price normally do, how you can take note of it. Because most of you think you understand forex, but there are some little things you are missing out. So I'm going to probably enlighten you. This video won't be that long, but you are going to gain one or two things. So just stick to this video. So that being said, if you want to join the mentorship class, just message me on my WhatsApp. Then we start everything. You can see it for yourself. We did analysis even before price get to those areas. And probably if you are trading a particular pair, and then maybe you are confused or you don't get how to go about it, you can chat me. Then we can bring it to the chat, review, probably explain it to every one of you or everyone in the group. Then we'll wait to see what price is going to do when price get to your areas where we should take either buy or sell. So that being said, now I'm going to take it to my laptop. Then we'll do little trading skill, because this time is not depending on your mobile indicator. No, this one is just showing you that there is more to trading than depending on your mobile indicator. Exactly. But yeah, the next thing now is let's get to the screen. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stick to this video, and if you are not yet subscribe. There are other strategies on my channel that you can use your indicators, mobile indicators to trade. Probably you are a scalper, or you have little equity, or you don't have the money for the mentorship class. There are many videos on my channel that you can definitely probably leverage on. But if you want something more better and more solid or concrete, then you can join the mentorship class. Is that correct? Alright guys, welcome to my chat. Now please, I don't want this video to be too long, but I won't want you to just watch only the aspects whereby I talked about how we were able to analyze it. Now I want to bring you to the chart to give you more clarification on how we did it, so that you don't feel maybe we just maneuver our way into taking sell trade, then eventually we were lucky to make that profit. No. Now this was the gold, that is the gold pair. This was what happened last week before we took our trade. Now currently the week is end. As at when I'm recording this video, you can see that the chart is not moving. It is weekend already. So for you to understand trading as a beginner, you need to understand nothing less than at least three concepts, or more than at least three major concepts. Let me just say three major concepts. You need to understand break of structures. You need to understand structure in general. You need to understand liquidity, and then you also need to understand timing. These are the three major things you can't do without. When you are good in these three things, or you understand them very well, then it makes trading easier for you. Exactly. And these are things I explained in the mentorship class. I make sure I give them the whole materials. Then also, probably if they need more explanation, they come to me. Then I explain more or give them more analysis. Now, if you have conversant with structure, that means you understand what we mean by market structure. Market or the chart moves in different ways. We have what we call the bearish move, that means price dropping. Then we have the bullish move. When price keeps giving you higher high, it means price is what? Making bullish move, right? When our price, why in the other trend, when price keeps giving you lows, taking out the initial low, then we say price is what? Giving you lower low, or price is on a downtrend, or price on, if price is giving you lower lows, price on a downtrend, and our price is giving you higher high, price is on a buy trend, that means bullish trend. So this was what we noticed last week before we later went to took that trade, which we were able to come out profitably. Now, the previous week, that was last week, price closed showing a rejection. That was the first confirmation that this week that just ended that we are going to be getting a what? A sell. Not just only that, we noticed that price broke structure here. Can you see? This part this candle here, this first candle shows that price was what? Dropping. But it couldn't sell, it couldn't buy. So it was more or less like a ranging market in the weekly time frame, right? So it was more like price was ranging within this for these 2 weeks, price was ranging. And the third week, which is this one here, price was able to gain momentum and break out of that range, right? And the week that comes after this, price was able to move up a bit. And even within this week, the price later closed showing a rejection. Price buyers push price all the way up to this level. So they couldn't push price above that level. They started sellers took charge and they pushed price all the way down. And this was the week the election issue was happening in the US. So after that, price was able to drop down to this level, right? Now, let's talk about what we want to see, what I want you to understand majorly. The first confirmation was the break of structure we had. The second confirmation was the rejection we saw. And the third confirmation was imbalance. Now, when you're talking about imbalance, for those of you who understand uh, trading to that extent, it is a three candle formation. Three candle formation. Now, this last candle here and this candle here never meet at the middle of this momentum candle, indicating that there is an imbalance. So if price show rejection, immediately price give us this rejection, we know that price is coming to fill this imbalance. And when you go further to the ICT concept, talking about the bullish and bearish order block, this zone here becomes automatically our bullish order block, which price came to mitigate by filling this um, imbalance. Then price started pushing up. So within this week, we'll have gotten opportunity to sell and also buy. Because if we should start tracing this to the lower time frame, we'll notice that there was a point we start having opportunity to take buy orders. So this was how we made the analysis in the group. Then later on, use our materials they used the materials given to them. Then we took our entry. So you can see that trading is easy when you have somebody telling you what to do, or somebody telling you what and what you should expect, giving you the areas where price or the concept that matters more in trading. So when you have this idea and you have this knowledge, it won't be difficult. So let me go to another page because I said this video won't be long. It won't be fair for me to just show you show you the charts and the analysis, then not taking it down to the chart. Now then we did another analysis today on the for those of you who like trading the synthetic indices. So this is what is happening currently now on the synthetic indices. Before now, we have able to take buy and we bought and bought. You can see it in the video. So today analysis, we are still going to buy, but presently you can see that price is making some sort of a pullback, right? Price is making some sort of pullback. So there's certain levels we are expecting price to come in before we definitely put a buy or take a buying opportunity. Now, why did we took buy last week? You can see that throughout last week, this is on 4-hour time frame, price was biased. The sellers were the one who pushed price all the way down to this point, right? So it has created what we call an imbalance in the market. So price has to start filling those imbalance to some certain level before price starts either going lower or going higher. And if we should proceed further to okay, we are currently on the H4. Now, last week, price did what? Price break structure. Price took out the previous low. This was the lowest point price got to last week. Price took out the low. Now, it initiated what we call bearish order block. So we are expecting price to fill all to this level, but it doesn't come once. So price create an expansion, correction phase, then expansion. So this first phase you saw here, this first phase, let me clean up the chart. This first phase you saw here from the bottom, sorry, from this bottom all to this point is an expansion. So price is trying to do what? A correction phase before then it started proceeding. So these are the things you should understand. And if you are trading with your mobile indicators, this information is not something you can just get easily. You can't understand it because sometimes you might be taking buy at the end of the day price will be selling, right? So if I should proceed, this video will be too long. So the best thing is if you want to join, probably you are tired of trading and losing money, just check the description below. You get to see my WhatsApp number there. Then we'll continue from that point. Either you are trading Forex, either you are trading synthetic indices, you'll be able to do one or two on your chart every week. Is that clear? So I don't want this video to be too long. Is that clear, guys? So thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe. I'm still going to be posting other free strategy, and sometimes I'm going to be posting maybe probably before the end of this month. I'll still be doing some little analysis on my channel. But the only way you can get this knowledge in bulk is just to join the mentorship class. That will help you a lot because I take my mentorship, I take my students more serious than those who are using the free um, analysis on the free indicator setup on my channel. So it's just a thing of choice. Exactly. And for those of you who are asking how does it work, how does it look like now, if you want to join the class, once you join, it will be very important. It will be very good if you have a laptop. But if you don't have a laptop, there's what we call VPS. So that VPS will give you the interface of a laptop. The software that I'm going to send to you to track price movement, you can install them on that VPS so that when we are doing our analysis on the chart, you can even be using your mobile phone to see areas where we are expecting price, or probably you are checking it on your mobile phone and you are maybe probably not getting it or you are not clear with it. Then you can message me, then we check. I will help you from my own end and I explain things to you, then tell you areas what you should be expecting probably reverse. I don't do signal, please. Don't come to my inbox asking for signals. I don't do signals. So I believe if you want to learn because signals won't give you profit. Yeah, I don't believe in signals. So learn the skill and then make yourself good money. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.